welcome to the online classes. Today we are going to do page number 130, exercise 7.3. Open page number 130. Here what is there? If 3 chairs are placed in one row, in how many rows can 24 chairs be placed? If 3 chairs are placed in one row, in how many rows can 24 chairs be placed? So you have to divide 24 divided by 3. You have to, here they did not provide much place, so we will do it here only. 3 divided by 24. Okay, now you have to count 3 table, and when 24 will come in 3 table you have to check. Okay, start counting 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24 minus 4 minus 4 0, 2 minus 2 0. So 8 rows. Answer is 8. In 8 rows we can place 24 chairs. Okay. A teacher has 56 stars. A teacher has 56 stars. She gives 7 stars each to a few students. How many students have received the stars? So, one teacher is having 56 stars with her and she is giving 7 stars to one child. So, for some children only. So, if she gave 7 stars to some children, how many children got stars they are asking you. So, what you have to do? 56 divided by 7 is equal to. So, here you do 756. Now count 7 table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56. 7 eights 56. So minus 0 0. 56 minus 56 is 0. So 8 children got stars. 7 stars. 8 children got 7 stars. There are 42 flowers to be arranged in 6 vases. 42 flowers are there and 6 vases are there. So you need to arrange these 42 flowers in 6 vases. So how many flowers will be arranged in each vase? In one vase, how many flowers will come? So 42 divided by 6 is equal to 642. Now count 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42 minus 42 minus 42 0 0. Okay. So 7 flowers will come in one vase. 7 flowers will come in one vase. On a merry-go-round, 4 people can sit in a car. No? On a merry-go-round, 4 people can sit in a car. How many cars are needed to seat 24 people? So for 24 people, how many cars they need? So 24 divided by 4. Now you have to count 4 table till we get 24. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. 4 6 are 24 minus 4 minus 4 0, 2 minus 2 0. So 6 cars they need. Okay, 6 cars they need for 24 children, 24 people. Okay. Now you complete, then we will go to the next page. Then come to page number 131. Divide as repeated subtraction. What you have to do? Repeated subtraction. So 36 minus 9. Okay, repeated subtraction means again and again you have to subtract the same number. Okay, then 6 minus 9. Can we subtract 6 minus 9? No. So borrow from tens. This will become 16 and 3 will become 2. And after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 and 2 below 2 nothing is there. So same 2. Again minus 7. And again will the 9 go from 7? No. Borrow. It will become 17 and 2 will become 1. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 18 minus 9. Again from 8, 9 will go? No. So here 1, 8, 18 is there. This will become 18. This 1 will become 0. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again minus 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So how many times we subtracted 9? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times we subtracted 9. Okay. In this way you have to do. So write small or start from up. Okay. 64 minus 8. Okay, 64 minus 8. From 4 can we deduct 8? No. So borrow. This will become 14 and 6 will become 5. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 56. Again minus 8. From 8, 6 will go? No. Borrow. It will become 16 and 5 will become 4. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 48 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 4. 40. Then again minus 8. And from 0 can we deduct 8? No. So borrow. This will become 10 and 4 will become 3. Okay. After 8, 9, 10. After 8, 9, 10. So how many? 2. 32. Again minus 8. So from 2 can we deduct 8? No. So again you have to borrow. This will become 12 and 3 will become 2. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 4. 24. Okay. Here it is not sufficient, children. So that's why I am writing this 24 up. Okay. Write this 24 up. 24. Because it is they did not provide a space properly. 24. The same 24 right up. Or minus 8. Okay. So from 4 can we deduct 8? No. So again borrow. It will become 14 and this will become 1. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 1. Again minus 8. After 1, 6, 16, 8. From 6 you can't deduct 8. So cut 1, it will become 0 and this will become 16. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again minus 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So how many times we subtracted 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 64 divided by 8 is 8. Okay. Then you can rub these lines. Okay. Then this you will be doing for your homework. Do from up otherwise. Okay, because it will not be sufficient. 63 minus 7. Do from up. 63 minus 7. Okay, till here it will be sufficient. Okay children, this you do for your homework. Then divide and verify. Divide and verify. Here you need to count 2 table. Here see, this is a number 3. Okay, this is number 3. So 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 1. And this bring down 18. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. Minus 18 minus 18, 0, 0. Here you don't have sufficient place for the verification. You just do the division and leave it off because they did not provide any place for the verification. Okay children. Then 7. 7 ones are 7 minus 7 minus 7, 0. Again this 7 bring down. 7 ones are 7 minus 7 minus 7, 0. Okay. Here 5 ones are 5. Then subtract. Okay. Here also 4 ones are 4. Then subtract. Then bring down 0. Here 9 table directly because 7 will not come in the 9 table. Directly 74. 2 digits you have to count. Okay. These 3 you will be doing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Divide on the number line. Okay. Divide on the number line. 30 divided by 3. Okay. 30 divided by 3. Here there might be some printing mistake. So they gave only 20 numbers, but they are asking you to divide 30. Let us change. Okay. Change this problem. 30 divided by 3. Here also there. Here also there. Let us change. 20 divided by 4. Okay. 20 divided by 4. Now what we have learnt, you have to take 4 steps and till 0 how many steps you have counted, that many we have to check. Let us start from 4. So 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, now you have to start. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. Okay. The same way 30 divided by 3. Now 3 steps. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 30 divided by 3 is 10. 3 tens are 30. 30 divided by 3 is 10. Okay. So complete this. And the repeated subtraction and other divisions you have to do and practice also. That's all for today. We'll meet in our next class. Have a good day.